Sanibona, ngiyathemba niyaphila. Ngiphinde nginamukele kwenye ividiyo yethu ngapha kaKhula Academy. Today we will be doing a lesson on functions. Namhlanje sobe senza ama-functions-ke. So this is still just the introductory video. Shuthi nje ividiyo yahlahla yethu yokuqala. Ngisazoku-introduce kule topic yama-functions. Ngikutshengise ukuthi simple kangakanani. Ngikutshele nokuthi sikhuluma ngani nangani nangani. Alright, so ahlukene ama-functions akho uyezwa. Sizoba ne-straight line, sibe ne-parabola, sibe ne-hyperbola, sibe ne-exponential, ne? Iwona ama-functions lawa amakhulu abalulekile esizokhuluma ngawo namhlanje. Uma usaka-matric-ke, for laba matric uzokhuluma nangama inverse graph, nangani ama-log, it's not long, it's log graphs for laba baka-matric specifically. But what I'm going to make a separate video for labo for this video we're just going to be busy with lawa engiqeda kwaveza la ngenhla. Okay, silindeni asibe siqala, starting up with a graph straight line. So a graph straight line, it's pretty straightforward. Even kwi-Cartesian plane yakho i-graph nje suke izoba uline oqondile, yabo. So le graph ka f of x, so it takes le equation eqondile nje esho kanje ethi f of x equal to mx plus c, where m umele gradient, then c umele y-intercept. Uzothatha ukubona ukuthi ama-graph ethu amaningi nje sizowenza i-constant term enganawo x uhlezi kumele i-y-intercept. Okay, so iziphi into ezibalulekile? Okay, i-graph, kwi-graph yakho if i-gradient, angibhale ngomunye umbala, ne? If i-gradient is greater than 0, yes, if i-gradient yakho is greater than 0, shuthi i-graph yakho isuke izoma kanje, isuke izoma isuke ikhuphuka, another color, isuke izokhuphuka. But if uzoba ne-gradient which is less than 0, iluphi ushintsho olwenzayo ngegraph yakho, iyehla, ihamba kanje, ngiyabo. So iyona effect yani yelokhuzane le yama-gradient yakho. Kodwa asitheni une-gradient ewu-0, asitheni une-gradient ewu-0. Uma une-gradient ewu-0, leyo graph leyo nje isuke izoba uline oqondile kanje, isuke njengoba nje uline oqondile kanje, ngoqondisa uqonde thwi, naziya isuke izoba uline nje, yabo. Izona izinto lezi ezi-significant ngani ngale graph le straight line. Oh, and another thing, we talk about domain and range. So khuluma kakhulu nge-domain and range. Domain and range kodwa it's very simple for lama graph lawo. I-domain, it's all the numbers, it's all the x values where i-graph yethu is defined. Shuthi yonke ama-x values la i-graph yethu ezokwazi ukuhamba khona, uyezwa. Sizothola amanye ama-graph ukazoba nama-asymptotes. If i-graph yakhe inama-asymptotes, la i-asymptotes la i-graph yakhe engasoze yathinta khona. So vele for i-straight line solo siqhubekile ngapha ngama-x values akho, nangapha futhi same thing, solo siqhubekile njalo. So siyale sithini-ke sithi i-domain yale graph sizothi u-x is an element of all real numbers, yabo. Shuthi x, uma ngithi x is element of all real numbers, chaza ukuthi for wonke ama-numbers akho u-x kahle u-continuous yonke indawo. Abanye abantu bangayiveza kanje idomain yakho ngathi izosuka from negative infinity all the way to infinity, yabo, nangale bungayiveza. And then we have i-range. I-range suyikhuluma ngani-ke? I-range ikhuluma ngama wonke ama-values akho where i-graph yakho futhi will still be defined. I-graph yethu kuyolo ikhuphukile njalo njalo, kuyolo futhi yehlile njalo njalo, uyabo. Ayikho line la ezofika khona kuthiwa ayikwazi ukuthinta khona. Ngoba ayikwazi ukuthinta yonke indawo, sithi u-y uzoba i-element of all real numbers, yabo. Okay, and this will be all on a straight line. Straightforward. Graph ya grade 10 le ngicatsi nifundela grade 10, very very simple. Okay, so manje sengizoku-introduce ke kwenye igraph yethu esiyibiza ngeparabola. Let me just add lama pages abe maningi nabo. Okay, so on a brand new page sizoqala sikhulume ngani? Parabola. Okay, iparabola ke siyayibiza ngokuthi i-quadratic function. Why siyibiza i-quadratic function? It's because its general formula yakhona, f of x will equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, uyabo. Le formula le siyazela ngani? I-quadratic equation le siyazela lapho le formula. So le formula le i-general form yayo ini iparabola yethu, uyabo. Okay, kodwa ke one thing is significant about iparabola, ziningi indlela abanginika ngazo ilokhuzana i-equation yayo, uyabo. Bangayiveza na kanje i-equation yakho, bakutshela ukuthi u-f of x equals u-a x minus p all squared plus q, yabo. Le form ke lena suke siyibiza ukuthi usuke unikwe nge-turning point form. Yes, i-turning point form le, where i-turning point yakho kuzoba ilo p and q, yabo. Iyona banike i-turning point yakho leyo. Okay, unganikezwa futhi nangalenye iform yokugcina where uzonikezwa ngama-intercepts akho. Bethi igraph yakho it's gonna be a x minus x1 x minus x2. Lena ke siyibiza ngani ke lena ke? X intercepts form. So shothi usukunikezwe ama-intercepts akho x1 no x2 bayini laba? Ama-x intercepts akho, so unikiwe wona, yabo. So ama-significance ale graph ke, u-a swabhale ngala, i-letter A tells you about the shape ye-graph. Shuthi ngichaza ukuthi ngalokho, if u-a wakho e-positive e-greater than 0, graph yakho isuke izoba i-smiley face, yabo. If u-a wethu e-less than u-0, i-graph yakho izoba i-sad face. It's nabo. That's all you need to know about ilokhuzana i-shape ye-graph yethu. And then stationary point sethu can also be calculated from le formula njalo. Mhlawumbe ufuna ucalculate i-turning point ne, and mhlawumbe you're given this equation here. Uzobona nje lento lena guys, uthi manje ngisaku-introduce but sizoyenza lento kaningi, yabo. Then i-turning point yethu soluthe x will equal to minus b all over 2a. So sisebenzisa le formula le, yabo, to calculate you calculate it using, so sithola ilo i-x value of i-turning point yakho, yabo. I-turning point isuke la igraph yakho iqala khona ishintsha i-direction, ila nala, here turning point, nala turning point. Okay, just the basic introduction, okunye nokunye sokhuluma ngako eze siqhubeka kwama-video alendalayo. Okwamanje just introducing. Okay, and then we have another graph called hyperbola. Hyperbola ke nayo enye graph is simple. It has this form ka y, or okay, yeah, fine, sign the y and f of x. Y will equal to a all over x minus p plus q, yabo. Nala futhi same thing, u-a usakutshelani, ukutshela i-shape ye-graph yakho. So if a positive, a greater than 0, graph yakho isuke izoma kanje, ihlala la kwi-first and third quadrant, yabo. If a wakho is going to be less than 0, should on a value a negative, i-graph yakho izohlala on the second and fourth quadrant. Angithi yabo, yizo zonke njalo izinto lezi ekumele uzazi. So you better be mhlawumbe taking notes noma ulalele ngokuqondisisa. Okay, yabo, yizo zonke izinto lezi ekumele uzazi. Le graph ke le iba nama asymptotes, uyezwa, iba nenye into esiyibiza ngama asymptotes. So njengoba sithi le graph iba nama asymptotes, shuthi i-asymptotes kahle kahle, it's a line that's the graph never touches. Line lo i-graph ethi engasoze yamthinta, uyabo. So leyo graph leyo soyithola kanjani lo line lo? For i-horizontal asymptotes, nama-asymptotes amabili. For i-horizontal asymptote, equation yalo line loyo, it's y equals uq ilo, intiyabo. And then for i-vertical asymptote, y will equal to p, which is low. Yes, abanye bayale bethi sisuke sizothi y is equal to negative p, because lo i-sign yakhe siyayishintsha mase sesifaka i-equation yesymptote. But kodwa ke uzobona lokho masikwenza nje konke once. So shuthi lento le iqeda ukutshelana uq wakho uyini, uyi horizontal asymptote, then lo uyini vertical asymptote, yabo. Simple, nothing major, nothing specially, nje into eqondile leyo, yabo. Okay, le graph ke le has enye into futhi yayo ebalekile esibiza ngama axes of symmetry. Ayintiyabo? Bukayo kwama axes of symmetry akho. So kwama axes of symmetry sinalento le, siza la kwi-equation yakho. If ilokhuzana i-positive, ne, for i-axis of symmetry le izohamba kanje, olayini abahamba kanje aba-cross graph la, kanje, uyabo? So what do you know about lo line lo oqala kade ngudweba lo engu highlight manje? Follow la line lo. Lo line lo une gradient enjani? E positive. Uyezwa? So njengoba une gradient e positive usho ukuthi ngizothola kanjani? Angithi I gradient yakhe nakho ngisengisileza. Okay. So I gradient yakhe I positive is greater than 0. Should the equation leya asymptote leya, it will be y equals x plus p plus q. Yaleyo nto leyo ngiyithatha ngiyithatha nje la. Nansi buka. Ila x man buwana kusengenza iphutha. Hlanhla leyo ngilinakile. Okay. Ngishintshe ipen lami. It's gonna be x minus p plus q. Yabo? Nakho ngiyithathe phi? Again, ngiyithathe nje la. Enthi yabo? X minus p plus q. If uzoba ne gradient negative for lo line lo nanko, enthi yabo? For lo ngu highlighter manje. For le axis of symmetry. Ayithone gradient enjani? Less than 0, which means the formula yakhe yena will be y equals negative x minus p plus q. Yabo? Negative. Okay, I think niyabona la difference la minus 1 la positive 1 ama gradient akhona. Okay, I really hope sisahamba ndawonye okwamanje. Nakhona futhi ngiyasho nothing major, nothing enjani cha nje. Oh, imali ngazi ngathi ngenza iphutha la kodwa kwi equation ye asymptote yethu. For I vertical asymptote it's not y, it's x. Nxese bandla. I hope ukwazile ukubona leya mistake. It's x. X equals p. Then the horizontal asymptote y equals p. Nothing much, nothing major. Sisa introduce nje topic enje. Okay. And then after a hyperbola we will get the exponential function. Exponential function. So exponential function will take the general formula. It's y equals ab to the power x minus p plus q. Yabo? Alright, ke bukalana ke izinto ezibalekile ekumele uzazi la. So le will be general form yethu, ne? A general form. Okay. So about I general form yethu injena nje bafowethu iqondile, uyabo? Into significant la uq uzobe ukutshela ngane, uq uzobe ukutshela nge horizontal asymptote. Kwi exponential function ke sine asymptote eyodwa, yabo? Asifani na kwi hyperbola where besinama asymptotes amabili, uyabo? Sa asymptote horizontal ne vertical. La kwi exponential nje sizoba ne asymptote eyodwa. And hlezi sine horizontal asymptote kuphela nje. Line nje oqondile or parallel ne x axis. Buka ke into ebalekile la kumele uyazi about igraph yakhe, shape yayo. Igraph yakho ke will take this shape. Into yokuqala emele uyazi u-A no B bobabili banama effects ahlukile with towards I shape yegraph yakho, ne? Okay. If u-A a positive, u-A a greater than 0, azi ukuthi igraph yakho asitheni la umuphi lo line low line ka y equals q asymptote. Igraph yakho isuka izolaya kephi, izoba la ngaphezulu kwe-asymptote, uyabo? But if a less than 0, here's your line of y equals q asymptote. Igraph yakho isuka izolaya kephi, la ngaphansi kwe-asymptote. Noma uyayibona nento engishoyo, uyabo? So if igraph if a wakho greater than 0, igraph yakho izolaya above the asymptote. But if ulokhuzane a wakho less than 0, should a negative number, igraph yakho izozala ngaphansi kwe-asymptote. Buka-ke, there are other things futhi kumele uzazi phezu kwalezi engiqeda kuyiveza. Alrighty. Now we get to le value ka b, yabo? I-value ka b na-ke says two things. It's either igraph yakho iya towards i-asymptote noma iya away from i-asymptote, uyabo? So if ulokhuzane u-b wakho, le value le ka b, if u-b greater than u1, yabo? U-b wakho greater than u1, sithola ni igraph goes away from asymptote. Shuthi igraph yenze njani? Igraph iyayibalekela ilokhuzane yakho asymptote yakho. Shuthi mangithi iyayibalekela ngichaza ukuthini? Asitheni nayo asymptote yakho la, yabo? Y equals p. Okay. Buka la. Nxasi y equals q. Silly mistakes again namhlanje wenzakalani? Y equals q asymptote. Mangithi graph ilokhuzane iyayibalekela, ayithi sithena ulokhuzane la u-b wethu is greater than ulokhuzane u1, izohamba kanje, away from ini, from i-asymptote. And then if u-b, ngiveze nje la ngaphezulu, if u-b ezoba in between u0 no1, yabo? Shuthi u-b kahle usuke a fraction, it's either i-fraction noma bambhaleze i-decimal noma yini, uzothola ukuthini lapho? Igraph yakho goes towards asymptote. Yabo? So mangithi it goes towards i-asymptote, kusuke kuzoyenzakalani lana abafowethu? Kusuke izohamba kanje. Ayithi uyazi ukuthi graph wethu is read from left to right. That's how we read the graph. So that's why ngithi iya towards i-asymptote. Yabo? Ngiyathemba ukuthi sisandawonye. Okay. Ingaba njena, ingaba funa kanje. Enje yabo ukuthi isayapi? Isaya towards i-asymptote, but where a less than 0. So if you know a less than 0 and b is in between, izoba kanje igraph yakho. Noma okay, lawa ngiwabhidwe eceleni. Ngiwabhidwe eceleni. Okay, so you have to meet lama conditions lawa all two same time. Buka la. Focus on lokhu ngizokwenza nje manje. If unolokhuzana uno a greater than 1, or nxasi b, uno b which is greater than 1, ube no a or greater than 0, futhi shuthi imaphi lawo ma conditions lawo? Ile nale. Ngiyabo? Igraph yakhe isuke izoma kanjani ke? Izoma kanje, reading from left to right. Reading igraph yakho from left to right, izoma kanje. Ngiyabo? Uyakhumbula ukuthi u-b ubesitshelana? Ngithi yabo u-b greater than 1, shuthi igraph goes away from asymptote, and then A is greater than 0, ubusitshelani above asymptote. Yabo? Okay. Then second case is where sinani. Second case is where B A is still greater than 0, and then B okay A, oh no A is less than 0, this means 0 greater than 0. A is less than 0 and B is still greater than 1. Yabo? So when I was in ngalezi zinto lezi ngithe mina B tells you ukuthi a graph goes away from asymptote, and then A ukutshelani, usitshela ukuthi izobe injani, izobe below asymptote njengoba A less than 0. Yabo? Uchaza ukuthi igraph yakhe isuke izoma kanjani ke? Isuke izoma kanje. Wrong side. Graph yakhe izoma kanje. Nakhe. Ainsi nabo? Okay. Stay with the opposite conditions ngala. We have B where in between ubani u0 no 1. Should B uyini, B uyi fraction. No beauty in between ulokhuzane u0 no 1, and then A is greater than 0. Lezi zinto lezi individually zikutshelani. Lo individual ukutshelani ukuthi graph goes towards asymptote, and then loga x is greater than 0 ukutshela ukuthini igraph yakhe injani. A is greater than 0, it's above. It's above asymptote. So shuthi sisoba negraph kanjani ke? Izoma kanje. Nakhe ngithi yabo? And then lastly for lama conditions lawa B is still between 1 no 0, but manje A use less than no 0. Usasitshelani lona bafethu? Usitshela ukuthi graph goes towards asymptote, and then low usitshelani less than 0, so it's below asymptote. That means igraph yakhe izoba kanje. Broken line njalo usashi asymptote, then na igraph yakho. Yeah. Yabo? So yilo ke leli ke iBhayibheli lakho elincane elikhuluma ngani? Elikhuluma ngawonke ama-graph akho. What I did here about exponential function, lezi zinto lezi nje zo4 njengoba ngitshengise zona la, izona zinto ezibalekile ke and ezenza izona zinto ezididayo kahle exponential function. If you could master lezi zinto engiqeda ukuyibhala la wonke lama conditions lawo, khulileka ayikho into ezokuxaka. Ayikho sidalo into ezokuxaka about wonke lama graph lawo. Okay. So that will be all for ivideo yanamhlanje. Njengoba ngishilo nje, well, still in introduction yawonke lama graph lawo. Yes, sazowenza ivideo yawo individually wonke. Ngikutshengisa how to sketch kanjalo, how to sketch, how to get equation and so forth. So that will be all for ivideo yanamhlanje. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nisibuke. Okay, please like and subscribe bandla. Lokho kuyangigqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngenza ama-video afana nawo lawa. You can email me. Email ikhona laphana kwi-channel yethu. If you would wish to attend my extra classes, we do have extra classes, and we will have revision classes when it's close to exams. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned ubuke nama video alandelayo saqhubeka ngawo ama function. Ngiyabonga.